Hey there, small business owners. If you're tired of dealing with complicated payment systems and want something simple and efficient, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into how to use Cash App for your small business. Cash App isn't just for personal transactions, it's a powerful tool that can help you manage payments, track sales, and even handle invoices with ease. Let's get started. First off, what is Cash App? It's a mobile app developed by Square that allows you to send, receive, and request money quickly. For small businesses, it's a game changer because it's free to use for most features, has low fees for transactions, and integrates seamlessly with your bank account. Plus, it's super user-friendly, which means you can focus more on growing your business and less on tech headaches. Step 1. Download the app. Head to your App Store, search for Cash App, and install it on your phone. Once it's downloaded, open the app and sign up with your email or phone number. You'll need to create a unique cash tag, which is like your username for receiving payments. Make it something memorable for your business, like your business name. Next, link your bank account or debit card. This is crucial for transferring money in and out. Go to the banking section in the app, follow the prompts to add your details, and verify everything. Now, you're ready to accept payments. For your small business, you can use the app to send invoices or requests directly to customers. Just tap the $sign, enter the amount, add a note like "payment for services," and share it via text or email. One cool feature is the ability to categorize transactions, which helps with bookkeeping. Tag payments as business income, and you can even set up direct deposit for sales. Remember, for security, always use a strong PIN or enable biometric login to protect your account. Finally, keep an eye on fees. Cash App charges a small percentage for credit card payments, but it's often cheaper than traditional methods. If you're just starting out, this could save you time and money. Thanks for watching. If you have questions or tips of your own, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more business hacks. See you next time.